The basic Magnum system consists of the control panel, the auto seeker, probe, override probe, and discharge pump. The Magnum system is designed to work with a variety of AC and DC power sources. The AC power supply will self-adjust for 120 or 240 volts input at either 60 Hz or 50 Hz European. Power usage is only about 100 watts maximum. The Magnum can also be powered by two 12-volt DC automotive or marine batteries. Batteries may last for several days to several weeks of operation depending on product recovery rates. Clean Earth can also supply solar panels, allowing for near continuous operation in a remote site. The Magnum probe and pump is designed to easily go into a 2-inch well. It is of all composite construction and weighs only about 3 pounds. The product pump is a fuel injection pump originally developed for the diesel trucking industry. It has been upgraded with several performance and corrosive resistant enhancements. It can be quickly removed from the probe for servicing. The water product interface sensors are all solid-state carbon composite bands that are a spin-off of the spacecraft fuel gauging technology developed for NASA. The use of these interface sensors in the environmental industry is unique. Since they are all non-contact sensors, they are highly immune to biological fouling. The carbon materials used are very tough, will not corrode and deteriorate in the well. The pump intake slots are machined in the center of the sensing band and thus will instantly shut the product pump off when water touches it, preventing even the tiniest amount of water from being pumped.
The system is very easy to operate. Simply turn the power switch to on and then press the PRC switch to auto. The auto seeker will then begin to lower the probe into the well until the water product interface has been detected. Once the product water interface has been detected, then the auto seeker will then begin to raise the probe until the pump intake is 1/8 of an inch or 1/2 centimeter above the water surface. The product will then begin to be pumped to the surface at the rate of 3/4 of a gallon or 3 liters per minute. The pumping of the product will continue until there is only 1/8 of an inch or 1/2 centimeter left in the well. The system will then go into a delay mode until the product has had time to recharge into the well. The system will then begin a new cycle. The Magnum Spill Buster is capable of tracking water table fluctuations due to seasonal and tidal influences up to 100 feet. As the product water interface level decreases, the auto seeker lowers the probe further into the well until the sensor band is in the water. The auto seeker will then lift the probe until the pump intake is again approximately 1/2 centimeter above the water surface. If there is more than 1/2 centimeter of product floating on the water, the pump will again begin to recover product. As the product water interface continues to lower, the auto seeker will again lower the probe to the water surface and will adjust the pump intake. Again, product will be pumped to the surface. This cycle process will continue as needed. If, on the other hand, the water table elevation increases, the auto seeker will raise the probe so that the pump intake is again 1/2 centimeter above the water surface. If sufficient product is present, the pump will be turned on. However, if the water table elevation raises above the pump intake while the pump is turning, the pump motor will be automatically shut off so that no water is pumped. The pumping cycle times will be varied automatically by the system software to match the product recharge rate of the well. If the recharge rate of the well changes, so will the pump cycle time to match the new product recharge rate. This cycle process will continue on a 24-hour, 7 days a week basis.